For today's video, I will share with you the 4 steps to finding favor with friends. Every one of us wants to have good friends. But in order to have a good friend, you must learn to be one. There are very real reasons why everyone seems to like some people, while others are constantly rejected. Now, here are 4 practical steps to finding good friends. First, break out of your shell of fear. Don't wait for people to reach out to you. Instead, be bold to say hello to people and make conversation to them. Second, give friends their space. Don't monopolize people's time or constantly follow them around. When you begin to smother people with attention, they will naturally want to avoid you. Third, be confident in yourself and your abilities. If you are constantly putting yourself down and wallowing in self-pity, people will tired of you soon. Fourth, have a giving heart without trying to buy friendship. Be generous and be thoughtful without feeling like you have to do things to keep a certain friend. If you have to buy or give someone something all the time, the person is probably not a friend anyway. So that's all, and thank you for watching. God bless.